Okay, we went long and hard and far, and we finally found this four-wheel drive Cherokee. We got it cheap, 4-liter. The body's in good shape, no rust. It does have some issues though. All right, this is late at night, but this is what we picked up. Very cheap, like beyond dirt cheap. It's got some issues, as you see. It's missing a fender flare right here. It's a little dirty, but no major issues. Looks like a bucket of paint sat on there for a while. Missing a fender flare right here. Body those in pretty good shape. But if you come around here and look on the inside, has some home carpet, missing a radio, missing the bezel right there for your four-wheel drive and for your gear shifter. It's got 170,000 miles, which is not too bad for these. It's missing basically it's missing the interior. It's missing the roof, and it is, I say the roof, the whatever you call that thing, the thing up on the roof, and it doesn't have a back seat, and it's missing all the plastic that normally goes in here, but that's okay because there's not a speck of rust on this thing. It was actually sitting in the woods in Mississippi, and the body is in really good shape. So anyhow, so little issue right there, but overall not too bad. I think the body's in better shape than the other XJ. It's the exact same color and everything. So it does have a little dent in the roof on the top there, but I think that's easy to fix. Motor and transmission do run great. The mechanical issues are first, as you might be able to see, the brake caliper. It's right there. It's not on the front wheel. What happened was this guy went to put a brake job on it and broke one of the caliper bolts off and couldn't fix it. So both of the calipers are tied up. You can see tied up right there. So we are going to drill that out, fix the brakes, and then start working on this project. This is definitely a diamond in the rough. You hardly can find these things anymore unless you find them like this. But this one has not been modified. You want one that has not been modified or four-wheel drive with lift kits and all that. I mean, at least I don't. It's completely stock, and we will do lots of videos on how we get this thing into very, very good shape for little money. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe so you can see all the latest updates on this. All right. Thank you. Good night.